Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I tried to record my Walmart beauty unboxing, and something happened to the camera. But anyway, there's the Walmart beauty unboxing box. Let's try this again. Take two. Let's see. The Suave shampoo and conditioner. Pump up the volume or something like that. Up the volume. Cute packaging. These are good for travel if you're going out of town or yeah, going out of town really. This is where you take little samples that you can fly with. They're a half ounce each, so it's a good amount actually. A good amount of shampoo and conditioner. The next thing, I think I have an eyelash, is this Neutrogena Invisible Daily Defense Face Serum, SPF 60. This is not going to be the best camera angle or camera lighting. Oh my gosh, something's in my eye. But we're going to make do. Next is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. And Cetaphil actually is a pretty good non-comedogenic, or hypoallergenic brand. So if you have sensitive skin and you need to just go somewhere to travel, or you have overnight trip or something, weekend trip, this is a good brand to take with you on that kind of trip, something quick and easy. The next thing is the Arm & Hammer Complete Care Whole Mouth Protection Toothpaste. Yeah, 3 times more plaque removal, ultra smooth formula, fresh mint flavor. And the last thing in the box was the Milani. This is a really quick video. Was the Milani Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. I'm really tempted to open this, but I am not going to do it. And 24 karat glow is the color. And again, liquid gold. That's really pretty. I would love to see this, but I'm not going to open it because don't ask me about my highlighter. Just don't do it. And then I also received, is this a coupon or is this informational? This is informational about the Cetaphil. I do actually have a Cetaphil lotion that I'm using, a body lotion, which I didn't even realize they use, but I was like, I need a new lotion with a pump. Cetaphil is a good brand, and it's very moisturizing actually. So I'm looking forward to trying this cleanser just to see how it feels on my face before I actually take it somewhere. You know, I have a whole skincare routine I like to follow. Anyway, that is my unboxing. I still feel like I have something in my eye. That is my unboxing for Walmart's Summer. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Summer Glow Up is the name of this particular themed box. Walmart Beauty is a quarterly subscription box. It's $5. That includes shipping, and you get 5 samples. So it's basically $1 a sample and free shipping. And they're usually either new items or things that they choose to work toward the season that they're giving you something for. So glowing, I mean, the toothpaste probably, whiten your smile, make your skin glow. I mean, because glowing skin starts from within. So you want to cleanse your face. And you got a liquid highlighter and a serum to help you, combat signs of aging and all that stuff. So anyway, I don't know what their thought process was, but it works for me. So I really enjoy it. It's not expensive. It's not a lot of stuff. And there are good things to take with you when you travel, and things to try out so that you can go back, like them, love them, pick them up at the store. And that is all. My box is, I don't want the camera to die, and I really am fighting whatever this is in my eye. So, again, thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your summer. Peace.